Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to receive money on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store and download the Skrill application. When you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the pay on, a lot of options. So we have the pay online, buy and sell crypto, send to anyone on Skrill, transfer internationally, get a Skrill card, and earn rewards. And a lot of more options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and receive money on Skrill. So it is pretty easy and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. So first of all, go to Skrill website or of course the app as I told you in the start of the video and navigate to the receive money section. So now when you have, of course, went to the receive money section, then what you need to do is go and enter the sender's email address or phone number. You can also provide your bank account details if you want to receive funds directly to your bank account. Then click confirm to complete the process. The sender will need to use your registered email address or phone number to send you the money. Once this transfer is complete, you can access your funds immediately. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. And until next time, bye guys.